From modern masterpieces to backyard retreats, these luxurious pools will inspire you to dive in and take a dip. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Become part of our family. If you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, let's just dive into luxury, my friends. This video is all about luxury pools. As always, check the description box for a list of hand-curated ideas so you can achieve the same look at your home. And without further ado, let's hop into the video. So let's just be honest. When you think of luxury homes and manors and mansions, somehow a luxury pool always ties into that. So just think about it. If someone has a $2 million mansion or a $3 million mansion, if you went in their backyard and didn't see a pool, what would you think about it? At that point, do they really have a mansion? In my eyes, yes. And I feel like the world is broken into two people: pool people and non-pool people. And surely and certainly the non-pool people are the minority. Now, I am a non-pool person. I believe you can have a fabulous mansion, a luxurious home, a manor without having a pool. But for those of you that are pool people, I know that you are a strong people. You are a convicted people, and you all believe that you don't have a proper estate without having a luxurious pool in the back. I definitely give you pool people a hard time, but I get it. I understand that you are investing in the aesthetics of your home and that you are creating an outdoor living possibility for you, your family, and your friends. Custom pool design ideas come in endless shapes, but stylistically can be narrowed down to 5 styles: classic, modern, freeform, natural, and probably my favorite, vanishing edge. So I know that I have given you the styles of swimming pools, but let's dive just a little bit deeper. So for classic pools, classic pool designs feature clean lines, arches, 90-degree angles that evoke a Mediterranean look and feel, along with straight lines used to create dramatic focal points. Classic swimming pool designs can be built with Grecian or Roman themes and may include decorative details including columns, statues, mosaics, and custom tile work just to accentuate the motif. Before we get any further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment your favorite pool down below in the comment section. So, modern pools are, in a word, square. Can something square be cool? Yes, 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 my dear. Yes, it can. You can create your zen space with a modern pool. Designs can be very elaborate and can be planned to complement the architecture of your home, even if it's not a modern style home. Freeform pools have become a popular swimming pool design style to create a focal point for your backyard gathering space. This style is a great solution to increase the size of your pool around existing architecture and landscaping. The key design feature here is irregular curves and rounded edges. This style of pool is also extremely well suited for building on smaller lots or where they may be more so obstacles that need to be designed around to avoid. This type of pool will give you the most flexibility. Natural pools are a type of free-form pool that features design elements including curves, soft angles, natural rock, and vegetation to recreate what is found in nature. They often also feature water features such as waterfalls to continue that sense of nature's beauty. The absence of rigid angles and straight lines creates a swimming pool that complements your surroundings. Natural pools can be built with stone decking, a sloping beach entry, waterfalls, and other really creative rock features. Last but not least, my personal favorite would be vanishing edge pools or infinity pools. So vanishing edge pools are also referred to as negative edge pools. Infinity edge pools are zero edge pools. Vanishing edge swimming pools create a stunning visual effect by featuring at least one side over which water continuously flows into a catch basin below. The vanishing edge draws your eyes beyond the edge of your swimming pool because the visual stop is the horizon instead of the edge of the pool itself. If you guys have ever seen any of these types of pools, they are absolutely amazing. I have asked you what your favorite is. Comment down below if you want to know mine. It is this beauty right here. Not only is the pool amazing, not only is the house amazing, but I love the fire pit in the middle of the pool, and you cannot beat that scenery anywhere. As always, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who would become interested in it. If you haven't done so already, come on, subscribe to the channel, become part of our home decor family. Listen, I have enjoyed this video. I hope you all have as well, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.